back once again, guys. She's back and with a different set of guys. Let's get straight into it. So guys, as I mentioned, the car's back again. Driven by a lady like I mentioned last time, as you can tell by that. Malume? Oh, Monarch. But yeah guys, new setup on the car. Beautiful, beautiful ITs, man. Beautiful. I feel like this would look nice in like a show car. Like this is so beautiful. This is probably the cleanest like stock road that I've ever seen. Every time this car comes here, it's always clean. Always. I've never seen this car looking otherwise. Yo, this is beautiful. I like this engine. The way it's sitting. Oh. Nah, man. I feel like this needs to be put in a road car. A nice road golf show car. Or they should just retire this car and make it a show car. Once. This thing is beautiful. Also, I can't wait for you guys to listen to like the idol. This thing idol's amazing. This thing idol's amazing. Amazing. I want you guys to listen to that cam Malume. VW power. There's nothing like a VW 8-valve VW engine that doesn't sound good without a cam. Golfs just have this, or MK1s, or 8 valves, or 2 liters, or 1.6, 1.4. VWs, they just sound amazing. Especially the idle with a proper exhaust pipe. It's like a Velocity 1.4 value with a nice pipe. Kemenyan, they idle amazing. But yeah, let's get straight to it. Let me stop all this yapping. Let's get to it.